Well, have we a special surprise for you? We are in the kitchen crew area.
Yeah.
Where they are making lunch at the church here in... What town is this? What's the name of the town?
Kunta.
Kunta. K-U-N-T-A?
Yeah.
K-U-N-T-A. These are the pastors. They are peeling beans. Cucumbers? Is this cucumbers?
Yeah, cucumbers.
Cucumbers. And
Bottle guard.
tomatoes, onion. We're gonna have a feast, aren't we? Oh, look at over here. They are boiling. What is this? Hot water, that's for sure. Well, this is the modern day outdoor kitchen. Everybody's given part of their hand skill. Look at the flowers. And John Ebenezer, Pastor John. We got everybody here. Hello. Very nice. I like to record videos and share it with my family and friends. This is the pastor's home. He actually lives in the back of the church. It's 2 rooms, a kitchen and a bedroom, living room, whatever you want to call the one room. It's everything. He needs to finish off the home that is next door here. I'll just lift the camera up. Right there through the smoke. There it is. That's an unfinished home, 4-room, not 4-bedroom, 4-room. He said he needs about $6,000 to complete it. If only I had $6,000, Lord, we would certainly provide. But you can. So I hope you enjoyed the community kitchen here. They are doing a great job. We're expecting 20 plus pastors. I'll be teaching 3 sessions on Israel and our love for the Jews, as they've given us the Bible, the prophets, our Messiah, and as believers in Yeshua HaMashiach, Jesus Christ, we owe them a debt to give thanks. Morning! There's the pastor's wife in the pink there. God bless them all. Shalom. Bye.